Tony's Tractor Adventure.
Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I just wanted to touch bases with you before I start this job today. I got a job over at a buddy's house where I'm going to resurface his driveway and then mow a little acre pasture. Well, I haven't filled the tractor up since I did the 3-acre bush hog job the other day. And if you watch that video, you could see that the grass was, a lot of places was, grass and bush and weeds up to, 4 foot tall. Well, I used 2.8 gallons of fuel to mow 3 acres of very, very heavy grass and brush. And I'm really pleased with that. That little Yammer just sipped the diesel. So come along with the ride this morning, and I'll show you what we're doing today. Well, we made it to Tom's place. He's got a little gravel road we're gonna work on here and get it straightened back up. And then up on top of this hill, he's got some more road that we're going to work on. And then we're going to go ahead and do about an acre field bush hogging. So I'll get to it. Okay, we're going to go down the bottom of this hill and start working this hill by pulling gravel from the bottom up. A lot of it's washed down to the road, and we're going to scoop it up and bring it up the hill and fill in some of these ruts and then pack it down. Okay, here we go. Another thing you can do when you're coming up and down a very steep hill is load your bucket in the front and carry that weight around as you're going up and down the hill. And I'm going to be backing down the hill, so I want the weight of the rock in the front always. So while I'm working this, I will use that weight on my front wheels to help me get extra traction while going up the hill. Lunch is here. Hey, I'd like to thank you for watching Tony's Tractor Adventure. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Guys, have a great day.